Yo, what's up my Remarkables? Go ahead and subscribe to our channel.
And view and like our videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell at the top.
Go ahead, we'll wait.
Hello, and thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. You don't want to miss this segment. We're going to have a delicious, juicy, and crunchy peach cobbler. Go ahead and get your ingredients ready, and let's start cooking.
Alright.
Okay guys, we are going to have a peach cobbler today. It's going to be absolutely delicious. We got 2 cans, 29 ounces of sliced peaches. My guys have been in the kitchen cooking this morning, trying to get our meals ready for the week. And I decided I'm going to come in here and join them and make a peach cobbler. So go ahead and get your ingredients ready and let's start cooking. Okay, so what we're going to do is we have put a half a stick of butter in our pan. We're going to stick this pan in the oven at 350 degrees. We're going to allow this butter to melt before we add our cobbler crust batter in the pan. Okay, so to start off, we are going to add, and I'm going to use a half a cup of sugar to my peaches for my filling. It normally calls for a whole cup. That's too sweet for me. If you want to use a cup, that's fine, but we're going to use a half a cup in our preserve for our cobbler. We're going to add some cinnamon, a little lemon extract, some vanilla flavor, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon of butter to this. We're going to cook this and bring it to a boil and cook it just for a few minutes. Then I'm going to add cornstarch, and that's going to thicken it some before I put it in my crust. Okay, so we're going to add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of butter. Go ahead and bring that to a boil and we'll be ready for the next step. Okay, so now we're going to make our batter for our crust. We have 1 cup of self-rising flour. I'm going to add a little cinnamon to that. And I'm going to add a half of cup of sugar. So I'm going to stir that up really well, and then I'm gonna add a cup of milk. I'm gonna transfer this to a bowl because I'm not gonna be able to mix that up in this little dish. So we have our sugar, our flour, a little cinnamon, and now we're gonna add a cup of milk, and that is all it's gonna take for our batter for our crust. So you can just go ahead and stir that up really well, and once your butter is finished melting from the oven in your pan that you're gonna bake this in, we're going to pour this in there, and then we're going to put our peaches and our peach batter on top. Okay, we have brought our filling to a boil. It has thickened up some. The peaches have cooked a little. So now we have taken our pan out of the oven. Okay, we've taken our pan out of the oven with our melted butter. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the batter in that I made for the cobbler. I'm going to spread it out. Okay, I'm going to spread my batter over the butter. Okay, so now that I have all of that going on, I'm going to go ahead and lay my peaches in here and some of my syrup before I put this back in the oven. we're done with that part, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. Oh my goodness, this is our peach cobbler fresh out of the oven. Doesn't that look delicious? Thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks. Bye.